You can meet me at the campfire, that's where I will be, with the sky stretched wide and the night set free.